So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, but keep the chin parallel to the ground. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Now interlace the fingers, turn the palms up towards the sky. We'll inhale, exhale over to the left. Inhale back, exhale hands down. So inhale, straighten the arms, exhale to the right. Inhale center, exhale down. Again, inhale lengthen, exhale over, inhale back, exhale down. Inhale, exhale, inhale center, exhale down. Now for the twist. So inhale, exhale twist, inhale back, exhale down. Inhale, exhale twist, inhale back, exhale down. One more each side. So inhale, exhale, inhale back, exhale down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale down. Bring the arms down. So we're coming to an easy forward bend. So deep bend in both knees, drop the body on the thighs, let the head hang down. So inhale, as you exhale, try and straighten the legs without causing any pain. So again, deep bend in the knees, inhale, exhale, straightening. And one more, deep bend in the knees, inhale, exhale, straighten. Let go of the elbows, fingertips towards the floor, then bend the knees and roll on up through the spine. So coming into balance pose, star pose. So standing on the left leg will bring the right one up. So belly button squeezed in, finding your focus points. So relax the shoulders, but keep the arms engaged. Lengthen the leg. And come down. So we'll do the other side. So inhale first, exhale, lift the leg. Keep that belly squeezed in as hard as you can. Remember, using your focus point. And breathe. So we'll do that again, or we'll take a little further and add leg circles. So bring that right leg up, and then circle the leg. So trying to keep the body still. And then go the other way. So you can come out of the pose at any time that you need to. And come down and do the other side. So either the basic star pose, or we'll do these leg circles. And the other way. And bring the leg down. Alright, standing pose, starting with a high lunge. We'll take the right leg forward, left leg back. Bend the right knee, back heel is up. You can stay with the hands to the chest, or if you want to, we'll take it further to runner's lunge. So we'll be bringing the left hand to the inside of the right foot. Then we twist and bring the other arm up. So only go as far as feels comfortable for you. Now if you want to, we'll come forward into a forward bend. And then roll on up through the spine. And we'll do the other side. So left foot forward, right foot back. So you may just want to stay here, and that's fine. You just take it to your level. If you want to, bring the right hand to the inside of the left foot. Twist, bring the other arm up. You can either come out easy Or we'll come out with a forward bend. So we step back leg forwards, hang down, and then bend the knees and roll on up through the spine. And we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down, crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Then we'll bring the arms down and we're all done.